You've chosen to gather hay. Hay is simply grass that has been cut, allowed to dry, and then bundled in round or square bales to feed livestock during the winter months. Tennessee farmers cut roughly 8 billion pounds of hay each year. Hay is primarily used to feed the 1.7 million cattle and 112,000 equine in our state. Throughout the winter, a grown cow will eat about 4 round bales of hay, like the one in front of you now. Each large round bale of hay weighs more than 1,000 pounds. Thanks for riding along while we gathered Tennessee hay.